Farmland birds. Farmland birds are bird species that thrive in agricultural landscapes, relying on these areas for food and nesting sites. While farmer's friend is a birds, sometimes associated with the birds, due to its beneficial role in controlling crop pests. The birds is also known as farmer's friend. Lesser adjutant. Indian pond heron. Red-wattled lapwing. Watercock is locally frequent monsoon visitor, 75 to 1,280 meters. Breeding male mainly grayish-black with yellow-tipped red bill and red shield and horn. Upper parts fringed gray and buff. Blue-tailed bee-eater. Cattle egret. Black drongo. Two birds are seen in a lush, green paddy field on the left side is an Indian pond heron and on the right side is a watercock bird standing alert in the paddy field. Both birds are commonly found in wetlands and farmlands, captures them in their natural habitat. Long-tailed shrike. Leptoptelos is a genus of very large tropical storks, commonly known as adjutants. The lesser adjutant is large wading bird in the stork family Ciconidae. Like other members of its genus, it has a bare neck and head. It is, however, more closely associated with wetland habitats, where it is solitary and is less like to scavenge than the related greater adjutant. Asian pied starling. Bengal bush lark. The Asian openbill or openbill stork is a large wading bird in the stork family Ciconidae. This distinctive stork is found mainly in Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. Indian pond heron. In the distance, an Asian openbill stork searching for food. Jungle myna. Intermediate egret. Zitting cisticola. Watercock flying. Thank you for watching. PLS, subscribe my channel.